What's up, YouTube? This is Chris here. I know I can only apologize, but life happens. We had our first child. Had a little complications, but thank God he's okay. Turning 2 next month, so of course that's always a priority. So if not posting on YouTube to take care of family, take care of my child is what I have to do, then that's what I would do. So that's exactly what I did. But yeah, the last time I was collecting parts to get my flex fuel set up so I can run E85 on the Z. I don't know if you guys remember that, but yeah, there's a video. I think I'll probably try and link that parts video in the description. But yeah, I finally got to putting it together. So as you can see, I'm making a mess. I'm a mess over here. I have, you know, the bag over there. When I get stressed, I go hit it, then get right back to the car. You can see all the grease on it because these fat hands sometimes don't fit in every corner, and I have all these scrapes. So I take my anger out sometimes. But yeah, I'm in the middle of it. You can tell the old fuel rail right there. Took it out. That line is out. I'm not gonna run that anymore. I have, miscellaneous parts over here. I have the balance tube. The battery is sitting over there. I got a bunch of parts from Summit that I used, and this is probably my favorite part. A bunch of vibrant fittings. I have some in there that are used, some that are not used. I didn't need all of them, so there was no need, but I'd rather have enough than not enough. As a matter of fact, I had to buy more from Summit because I kind of miscalculated some angles, so I had to make up for it. But I ran a dash 8 push lock feed, and then on the bottom, I don't know if you can tell, but it's another white box like that for a dash 6 return. So this is how the car looks right now. Kind of torn apart, but you get the idea. Let me just make sure my math is not okay. All right, so yeah, this is how it sits. I am going to let me take this out so I can show you. Well, this is the new gasket that will go on to finish it up. But here it is. You can tell. Well, I don't have a what is it, a bench vise or some, is that what it's called? Yeah, a vise, or something that hard to tie these things down to tighten them. So I did what I could, and in doing so, I scraped these fittings. But who can see them? Once the plenum goes on, you're not going to see that. But yeah, this is the Concept Z performance rails, and I have this is a dash 8 coming to it, and yeah, it's fit tight, it's not going anywhere. And then the dash 6 return is back there. That's what you see over there. This is the 8 feed, and this is the 6. This is the 6 return. They all have their fittings. So everything is plumb. Everything is ready to go. I'm just waiting on the catch can that I'm sticking in the corner there, and then I'll put the plenum back on, because as you can see, all this grime and dirt, grease and dust is from me running the PCV deletes. So I'm trying to clean it up before I put it back together, but I'm waiting on the catch can. But as you can see, I have the regulator installed right there, and it will bolt straight to the 6, and also the flex fuel sensor straight to the return. Again, you can see here that I made some scrapes on the fittings, but it's whatever. So yeah, I'm also going to be running the Russell fuel filter. I see a bunch of really good reviews on them, and it's so small. So it's kind of, just from looking at it, you might say otherwise, but hey, I'm giving it a shot. If it's too small, I'll run something bigger. But yeah, this is the setup. These are the lines that I ran, and that's the rail. What else? Oh yeah, the plenum. I painted the plenum, but I made a huge mistake. I used a well, it doesn't say it's hot temperature, so I'm not sure if it's gonna burn out from the heat under the hood. I'm not sure. I did pick up, where is it? I picked up the right paint, but where did I put it? Can't even find shit anymore. Ah, there it is. I did pick up the right high temperature paint. Now I'm trying to do the wrinkle on it. So right now I'm trying to figure out if I should paint over this with that wrinkle and see what happens, or just clean it out before. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But yeah, basically it's ready to go. That will go in. I'm just waiting on them to deliver my catch can, and I'll plumb that. You know, these lines here, this is all dirty. The little filters will go on these, but why do that if I can just plumb it straight to a catch can? That will make it cleaner. So that's what I'm going to do. And I think that's it. So I'll keep you guys posted. You know, if once it's complete, I'll update you and whatnot. But yeah, you know, I apologize for not posting for so long, but it is what it is. All right, guys. Peace.